Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Law Office of Bryan Fagan's YouTube channel. I'm Michael Edwards, an attorney here, and today we'll be diving into an important topic regarding Texas divorce laws. Many of you have been asking, does my husband have to pay the bills until we are divorced? Well, you're in the right place, because we're about to break it down for you. So you're going through a divorce, and one of the burning questions you might have is whether your spouse, in this case your husband, is legally obligated to continue paying the bills until the divorce is finalized. To answer that, let's explore a real-life scenario to shed some light on this matter. Imagine this: you and your husband have decided to part ways, and you've initiated divorce proceedings. You're living separately, and naturally, the issue of who's responsible for the ongoing financial obligations arise. You're concerned about the mortgage, or the rent, utilities, groceries, and even child support, if you have children together. What are your rights in this situation? To understand the legal perspective, we need to take a closer look at Texas law. In Texas, while the divorce is pending, there's something called temporary orders. These orders can be issued by the court and can address various issues, including who pays the bills during the divorce process. These temporary orders can specify the responsibilities of each party regarding financial obligations. Temporary orders serve to maintain the status quo during the divorce proceedings. They help ensure that both spouses and any children involved have their essential needs met. This means that the court can order your husband to continue paying certain bills, such as the mortgage or the rent, utilities, and child support, if applicable. These orders can also establish visitation schedules and other critical matters. Now, whether your husband is required to pay all the bills or just some of them depends on the specific circumstances. The court will consider factors such as the financial resources of both parties, the best interests of any children, and the ability of each spouse to meet their own needs. Given the complexity and variability of divorce cases, it's crucial to consult with an experienced family law attorney who can provide tailored guidance based on your unique situation. They can help you understand your rights and options under Texas law and, if necessary, help you request temporary orders from the court to address financial matters during the divorce. So to answer the question, does my husband have to pay the bills until we are divorced? It depends. The court may issue temporary orders requiring him to continue paying some or all of the bills during the divorce process, but it's essential to consult with an attorney to navigate this process properly. Thank you for joining us today to explore this important aspect of Texas divorce law. Remember, every case is unique, so it's crucial to seek professional legal advice. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights into Texas family law. Be sure to follow our Instagram and our Facebook page. And as always, if you have any questions or need legal assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to the Law Office of Bryan Fagan. We're here to help you navigate the complexities of divorce and family law in Texas. Until next time, take care.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Because you tuned in to the end of the video, we're giving away a free copy of the Texas Divorce Handbook. To claim your free copy, click on the link in the description below, and we'll see you in the next one.